Pop quiz. Which is the greatest common factor of 48 and 64? 8, 16, 32, or 64? Lock in your guess. We'll come back to it once you have the tools to solve it fast. In this video, you will learn what factors and multiples are, how to find the greatest common factor, how to find the least common multiple, and how to use fast test strategies. You're watching ACT Prep with Quizlet. Quick lessons to help you feel more confident on test day. First, the foundations. Factors are positive integers that divide a target number with no remainder. For 15, the factors are 1, 3, 5, and 15. Multiples go the other direction. You get them by multiplying a number by 1, 2, 3, and so on. For 2, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Now that we know factors, let's talk about the greatest common factor, or GCF. It's the biggest number that divides both numbers exactly. Visually, it's the largest value sitting in the overlap of their factor lists. Let's try 36 and 60. Break each into primes. 36 is 2 squared times 3 squared. 60 is 2 squared times 3 times 5. Take the primes they share using the smaller exponents. That gives 2 squared times 3, which equals 12. Here's a fast tip. The greatest common factor can't be bigger than the smaller number you're comparing. So if an answer choice is larger than the smaller number, you can eliminate it instantly. Time to reveal the pop quiz. 48 is 2 to the 4th times 3. 64 is 2 to the 6th. The shared part is 2 to the 4th, which is 16. So the correct answer is 16. So far, you know the difference between factors and multiples, and you can find the greatest common factor using prime breakdowns, plus a quick size check to eliminate bad answers. Ready to lock in? Tap the link for a quick ACT practice on Quizlet, then jump back in so you can keep learning without missing a beat. Now let's switch to the flip side, the least common multiple, or LCM. It is the smallest positive number that is a multiple of each given number. Instead of asking what divides both numbers, we're asking what both numbers land on. On these number lines for 18 and 30, the first meeting point is 90. For 18, 30, and 45, take primes with the highest exponents across the list. That's 2 to the first, 3 squared, and 5 to the first. Multiply to get 90. That is the least common multiple. On the ACT, you don't always need to calculate from scratch. When answer choices are given, you can backsolve. Start with the smallest option that could work and test divisibility. If it fails, move up. Stop as soon as one works. 60 does not work because it isn't divisible by 45, but 90 is divisible by 18, by 30, and by 45. So stop there. Variables follow the same idea. For the greatest common factor, take the smallest exponents of shared variables. For the least common multiple, take the largest exponents you see. With 18, x cubed y squared, and 24, x squared y to the 5th. The greatest common factor is 6, x squared y squared, and the least common multiple is 72, x cubed y to the 5th. One last thing, don't mix the two. The greatest common factor divides the originals, so it can't be larger than the smaller original. The least common multiple is a common multiple, so it can't be smaller than the larger original. So if an answer choice is bigger than both originals, it can't be their greatest common factor. Let's try this one. Find the least common multiple of 12 and 40. Step 1. Write primes. Step 2. Take the highest powers. Step 3. Multiply. That gives 120. Here are the key takeaways. The greatest common factor is the biggest number that divides each original. The least common multiple is the smallest number they all share as a multiple. Use prime breakdowns, size checks, and backsolving to move fast on ACT Math. Keep learning. Visit our ACT Study Hub for practice tests to get you ready for test day.